I'm going to show you an easy and free way to make PayPal money over and over again. And if you're watching this video, you're probably wanting to get started in making money online. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started. Hey Millionaire Minders, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make PayPal money directly to your PayPal account, just like these people here who have been making $2.99, $7, $10, even $43 and $25 on this website. And this is a legitimate website that is paying directly straight to your PayPal account. And I'm going to teach you exactly how you can sign up on this website for free, as well as a awesome sign up bonus. And I'm also going to teach you exactly what you can do to earn on this website and to really diversify your earnings, and how you can also cash out directly straight to your PayPal account, or many other payment methods, such as international cryptocurrencies. And there are many more that I'm going to show you how you can cash out on this website. And if that sounds of interest to you, make sure you watch this video until the end so you can get access to my exclusive sign up bonus. And also make sure you do not click off this video, because what a lot of people do is they will see what the website is, they will click off the video right in the beginning, they'll go to the website, they'll sign up, and they'll realize or figure out that they're not earning anything because they don't know how to do the strategy. So it's important that you learn how to do this strategy step by step in this video. But without further ado, let's get straight into the method. And if this is your first time on the channel, my name is Jay Froneman from the channel Millionaire Mind, and I upload daily videos on how you can make money online, build online businesses, and earn a passive or residual income as well as active income online by building your dream online business. So subscribe to the channel if that is interest of you, and also turn on the bell notification so that I can send you a message every time I release a new video. And the website that I'm going to show you guys today is called SuperPay. So I'm going to start right here on Google. You can just Google in the search bar SuperPay, and it'll pop up first on Google called SuperPay.me. And I'm going to open up this in a new tab, and as you can see on the website, make money online with free paid surveys and also more today. And this website pays very quickly, within 24 hours. So there's a low cash out threshold as well, and the minimum amount you can cash out with is $1, which is really handy. I mean, a lot of the websites set the minimum to like $10 or even $50, and it takes you a long time to get there. But this website, you only need $1 before you can cash out, and you get paid within 24 hours straight to your PayPal account. And they also have a $0.20 bonus sign up when you join. So you already start off with 20 cents in your PayPal account on this website. And if I scroll down, you can see that this website has paid $2.46792 million to their members. And I'm going to show you proof just in a bit of these people getting paid out live. And you can see it's so simple to join up. You can join free today, quick and easy registration. You can complete your registration in less than 2 minutes, and you also receive a 20-cent bonus when you join. And you can take part in surveys and offers. So make money by taking part in paid surveys. They have hundreds of new surveys available every day, so that means you can constantly earn on this website. It's not like it's super limited like some websites. This website constantly has surveys, so you will constantly earn on this website. And you can also earn by watching videos, completing paid offers, and going through trials, which is really handy. So it's not only like a survey website, so it does become a little bit entertaining. So you can watch videos, as I say, complete offers and that as well. And you can get paid, over 90% of the payments are paid within 8 hours via PayPal, Bitcoin, or Skrill. So you are paid super quickly. And you can also exchange your points for Tango gift cards, which can be used for popular retailers such as Amazon, Starbucks, Nike, and many more popular companies, which you can go shop online with. So I'm going to log into my account, and I'm going to show you what you need to do and how you can earn PayPal money on this website and withdraw it directly to your PayPal account. And this is what it looks like in my account. So you can see my cash balance is already $0.20. And remember, I'm going to give you that free special sign up bonus code towards the end of this video. So make sure you go and sign up, that you can get your free 20 cents already. And straight away, I'm going to go to the payment proof and show you the people that are earning live. And you can see here the latest people today, 17th of July, which is the recording date of this video, is this member earned $2.99, $7, $1, $10, $9, $3, $12, $43, $1, $1, $2, $15, $25. So the average earning on this website, you can say on a daily basis, I'd say is between $2 and maybe $20, and that you can withdraw within 8 to 24 hours. So this website really does pay well and pretty quickly, which is very nice and cool. And you can see the total payments on this page is only one page of over 20,000. So that means, let's say there's 15 to 20 people per page. 20,000 times 20, work that out. That is how many people are getting paid just today on this website. So I mean, you can go and jump through all the pages. If you scroll down, you'll be scrolling down forever just to see all the pages of the people getting paid. And you can see the payment methods: PayPal Instant, PayPal, Skrill. A lot of people withdraw via Bitcoin as well. And this person right here has made $43, and by the time you're watching this might even be more, as he's earning constantly on this website. So let's find out what exactly you need to do to earn PayPal money like these people directly to your PayPal account. And for that, you can do multiple things. So you can do top surveys and offers, daily paid surveys, revenue survey wall, theorem surveys, live paid surveys, Pollfish surveys, Wanna ads paid surveys, worldwide offers, new paid surveys. There's so many different things that you can do to earn money online. So your earning potential is really diverse and wide on this website, which is really nice. And you can also head over to offer walls, where you can get paid for watching videos online on any of these platforms. So Say So Rewards, AdGate, Peanut Labs, Wall Ads. There are so many different websites that you can watch videos online as well and earn money straight to your PayPal account within 24 hours by all of these websites. I mean, if you want to open up these websites in multiple tabs, watching multiple videos at the same time, I think you can earn some really good money just doing that, opening a couple of videos in a tabs and at the same time maybe fulfilling surveys. For example, on my computer setup, I've got 3 monitors, so I could have like surveys, a video playing. So I think your earnings could really start racking up if you're doing multiple things at the same time. So let's go over to the daily paid surveys. I'm going to start off with this, and we can see what we can earn straight to our PayPal account. And you can see here's a survey, $1. I mean, geez, you just complete this survey, you're earning $1, and then you can withdraw straight to your PayPal account. It's 55 cents, 55 cents, 80 cents for completing this survey. Unlimited surveys available, so I mean, you can earn like 80 cents over and over and over again. $1, 10 cents, as you saw, 33 cents, 80 cents, 75 cents, and there are so many surveys available here for you to complete. So I mean, you can see this one here alone is just the top one, unlimited surveys available. And you can see the requirements. All you need to do is complete the survey, complete a survey. No limits to the number of surveys you qualify for and complete. All you need to do is just complete the survey. So what you do is you'll click on the link here, or the link it gives you like the logo, so you'll click on that. It will then open up the survey in a new tab, or I'm going to open it up in a new tab, so you can go right click, open in new window or tab. Then this page will pop up where you answer a couple of questions, you complete the survey, and you get paid. So all you do is you enter your email, you click continue to get started, answer a couple of questions they have for you on the page, complete it honestly and completely, and you will get paid on this website, which is 80 cents straight to your account, which you can withdraw straight to PayPal, which is really handy. And what you can do is you can go to the paid surveys tab on the website. You can go through each and every one and complete every single offer available and see how much money you can earn in a day. And I want to set you guys a challenge. What I want you to do is go and complete every survey possible by signing up down below, getting started, and see how much money you can earn in the first hour or 2, and let me know in the comment section in this video once you've completed that how much you've earned by completing surveys. And by the way, if you're still in this video, make sure not to click off, because I'm going to show you how you can sign up with my bonus code and earn your free 20 cents. And all you need to do is you need to do a survey, as you saw, for 80 cents for you to cash out $1. Then you can cash out straight to your PayPal account. So make sure to keep on watching this video. And you can also go over to the offer wall and complete different offers that these different companies or suppliers have to offer. So for example, I'm going to click this one, more TV time. I'm going to see what some of the offers they have. So I'm going to click to access this website. And you can see if you take a short fun voting quizzes, takes less than a minute, unlimited quizzes, and you'll earn a couple of points. But these offers aren't the greatest way of earning money online on this website. I still recommend the paid surveys, as they do pay a bit better. I'm also going to show you Wanna ads. So here you can basically complete different tasks. So for example, take a survey, you'll earn a whole bunch of points. You can earn 48 points for playing a game, 33 points for taking a survey, and these points are a couple of cents or a couple of dollars, but it's not the greatest way of making money on this website. I still recommend these surveys, as they pay, as you saw, 80 cents to $1.1 for less than a minute, and all you need on this website is $1 to withdraw. And you can see on your account page, if you want to cash out, there is a big cash out button. So what you do is just click on the cash out button, and it will give you the different options to cash out via, so PayPal, and all you need is $1 in your account for this money to be sent straight to your PayPal account, which is really super easy to achieve. And I'm going to leave a link for you in the description where you will get my free and special sign up code to this website, where you will get 20 cents, or you will start off off with 20 cents in your account straight away. And all you need to do is to withdraw that money. You need to complete a survey such as the one that I showed you that was 80 cents, and you will reach $1. As you can see, the minimum amount to withdraw is $1. So all you need to do is you need to get your account to $1, and you can do that by completing a survey, which will take you literally a minute, and you can then withdraw straight to your PayPal account. But if you guys enjoyed this video, or if you like this platform, comment down below what you think of it. And remember, the challenge I've set for you is to see how much you can earn in an hour, in the first hour on this website. And I want you to comment on this video when you are done with that, how much you have earned. But if you're new to the channel and if you enjoyed this video, subscribe down below and leave the notifications on, that I can send you a notification whenever I release a new video for you on how you can make money online and grow your social media platforms such as your YouTube channel, getting more subscribers, views, and making free PayPal money. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.